Are you looking for the best meal prep bags in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best meal prep bags. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Meyer Adult Lunchbox Insulated Lunch Bag. People who are looking for a basic lunch bag are sure to appreciate the simple design of this model. The Meyer Adult Lunchbox is designed for people who want to take their own food to and from work. This helps to save cash and is ideal for those who are counting the calories. The bag boasts a very sturdy design and 2 convenient carry options. In addition to a very durable handle on the top, there is also a strong shoulder strap. This allows users to keep their hands free for other tasks. In addition to the main compartment, there are separate side and front compartments. Plus, there are several zippers to keep items separated, and these zippers are very durable. They also match the overall style of the bag for a streamlined look. The main compartment is insulated to maintain the temperature of any food placed inside. The high-quality material is also very easy to clean and care for as and when needed. Unlike many other meal prep bags, the Meyer Adult Lunchbox does not come with food containers. This means that users will have to spend time and trouble finding containers that are the right fit. Some people are likely to find that this is a bit of a chore. However, some people may find that they actually prefer this. It gives users the chance to choose their own storage containers that meet their exact needs. Moving on at number 4, we have the Isolator Fitness Isobag 6 Meal Prep Bag. If you are planning a trekking or hiking trip, you will need plenty of provisions. One of the challenges when embracing the great outdoors is being able to enjoy delicious food. The Isolator Fitness is a huge meal prep bag that provides enough space for up to 12 tasty meals and snacks. The bag boasts 4 insulated compartments to help keep food fresh and cool. The 12 containers that are supplied come in 4 sizes. This helps to make finding the right fit for the food of choice a breeze. As an added bonus, there are special side compartments that feature strong zippers. These pockets can be used for smaller items to make them instantly accessible. When the main compartment is fully opened, the containers will also be displayed with ease. The Isolator Fitness Isobag 6 Meal Prep Bag has been created in the style of a classic sports bag. Therefore, the only way to carry it is via the handle on the top. This means that it may be a little inconvenient for people who want to keep their hands free. Isolator Fitness attempts to make up for this shortcoming by offering the bag in more than 30 different colors. This makes it very easy for users to find their style. The bag is also very durable and sturdy and has been built to really go the distance. At number 3, we have the Mdmp Meal Prep Lunch Bag. Planning and prepping meals does not have to be a major chore. This special bag comes with 3 high-quality food containers and a drink bottle. There are also 2 reusable ice packs that help to keep food cool for much longer. The Mdmp Meal Prep Lunch Bag is made of high-quality materials and boasts an innovative design. The carry strap is padded for enhanced comfort, and the zipper is very strong. There is also an attachable carry handle for extra versatility. Unlike some other options, the containers that are supplied are designed to be leak-proof. Once placed inside, food can be kept either hot or cold for up to 10 hours. This means that users will always have fresh and tasty food to hand throughout the day. This is ideal for people who are on a strictly controlled diet and are planning to spend the day away from home. Simply load up the Mdmp lunch bag in the morning with your choice of meals. This helps to remove temptation as users will always have meals and snacks with them. For once, there is no need to choose between style and substance. While the Mdmp Meal Prep Bag has been designed with the needs of users in mind, it also looks cool. This is one meal prep bag that is sure to stick around for a long time to come. At number 2, we have the Thinkfit Insulated Lunchboxes with 6 portion control containers. Getting in shape and staying fueled during the journey is easy when you know how. With 6 containers and a special drink bottle, users will have everything they need close to hand. These containers are designed to keep food cool for a long time and are compatible with both dishwashers and microwaves. People who choose the Thinkfit lunchbox are also treated to other goodies. The meal prep bag is supplied with a vitamin box and a reusable ice pack. This model is very versatile and is designed to be suitable for both adults and kids. Whether you are traveling to the office, to school, or heading out on the trail, you will have food. The bag comes with a convenient shoulder strap which is also comfortable. This cool black bag is embossed with a bold logo in either red or blue. There is no denying that the Thinkfit insulated lunchbox looks extremely cool. In fact, users are sure to be proud to be seen with it. Because the shaker cup is quite small, it may not be ideal for use over long periods. A little extra care should be taken to make sure that the containers do not leak. While this meal prep bag looks fantastic, it is not quite as practical as some other options. And finally at number 1. We have the Fit and Fresh Original Jaxx Fitpak Insulated Cooler Lunchbox. Sometimes simple really is best. This special food prep bag comes with a simple design that helps users get back to basics. However, it manages to pack a lot into the allotted space. People who are planning a hiking trip will be able to fit 6 containers into this meal prep bag. There is also a special side pocket that is designated for the 28-ounce shaker bottle that comes with the bag. There is also a front pocket where non-perishable food and other items can be stored. Food is helped to stay cool through the enhanced BPA-free insulation. The bag also comes with 2 1-cup containers and 4 2-cup containers. This should be enough for a couple of days on the trail. Other goodies include an ice pack and a vitamin tray. Each of the containers is designed to be very durable and microwavable. It should be noted that this meal prep bag does not come with a shoulder strap. It must be carried at all times via the padded handle at the top. Some people are likely to find this rather inconvenient, especially if they need to keep their hands free. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.